Hey folks, Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guy, and I love Las Vegas to death, but there's a couple of things that I really don't like, and one is the prices. This is a tourist area, and so prices have a tendency to be way up, especially on things like alcohol. Yes, you're on the strip, and beers are costing $10, $8, cocktails are $25, $40. It's crazy, but you know what? There are places on the Las Vegas Strip that have fantastic deals that's not going to take a huge hole out of your money, and if you're interested in getting some adult beverages in Las Vegas, it's not going to cost you a whole lot, then this is the video you want to see. Let's go. Oh, and by the way, folks, what we're considering on these is things that do not have a lot of limitations. We're talking happy hours? No. Something that's only on Mondays through Wednesdays? No. Something that you have to have a special coupon? No. We're doing the things, the places, the restaurants, the bars that have some fantastic deals all the time. We're going to be looking at 4 of them. 2 of them, the deals are there for the entire day from opening to closing. The other 2, they're open 24 hours a day. Anytime, 3 o'clock in the morning, you can get a great deal. So let's go ahead and start looking. I'm picking 4 of my best deals on the Las Vegas Strip. Let's see the first one.
Number 4 on our list of the best Strip drink deals is Flights. Now, Flights is a restaurant that happens to be in the Miracle Mile shops at Planet Hollywood, and they're famous for one thing for their steaks, but also for their cocktail deals. Now, they have an all-day long happy hour. Now, I said I wasn't going to be talking about happy hours. That's only if they do only last for a few hours. It lasts all day, and it's every single day. Now, it does do a couple of different ways about it because what is available throughout the day for their specials are changing. But everything is a flight of drinks for $10. Usually they're like $19 or $25 for, say, a flight of Bloody Marys or mimosas or whatever. But the way they drop it down, kind of hard to see in the lower left corner there, is every day a happy hour. From 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock, it's Bloody Marys and mimosas. From 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock, beer and wine flights. From 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock, it's cocktail flights, mojitos and that sort of thing. And then 6 p.m. until close, which is usually 11 o'clock, is again beer and wine flights. And so it's a lot of different options that just kind of rotate through the hours as it goes. Really good food, really good drinks. At $10 for a 3 set of cocktails, it's really, really cool and keeps on going. It does skirt around the requirements just a little bit because it does change throughout the day, but it is there all day, and that's cool.
Now, once again, I'm Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guy. I'm a retired history teacher and also a long-standing tour guide. I give walking tours along the Las Vegas Strip and also in the downtown Fremont Street experience. And my channel here is everything about the tips, the tricks, the hacks that you can do to, number 1, save money, like with the alcohol deals that we can find here today, but also have some fantastic memories that you can take back home to you. And if this is the sort of content that you like, then please give me a like, subscribe, and hit that alert bell so the next time I come out with more information, you'll be the first on the list to go ahead and get it. Now let's go on to the next one.
Number 3 on our best Strip drink deals, Casino Royale, and they're all-day $3 beers. Now, the Casino Royale is a tiny casino. A lot of people walk by, don't even realize it's there. It's tucked in between the Venetian and Harrah's on one side, across the street from Caesars and the Mirage. You simply walk into the bar, which is right by the main entrance. Here's a look at it. Yeah, that's right. It's right where you place your sports bet is also where the bar is. Now, it used to be $1 for the longest time, but a while ago it went up to $3 a bottle. But you look out there, there's a lot of different beers where you can get it. It's all 12-ounce bottled beers, and they're all $3 each. Now, one of the funny things that they do here with these different beers, they are $3 a piece. You can go ahead and get any of them that you want. But when you do walk in here, you look for that sign where it does say place sports bet here, and just to the right there where that man with the kind of green shirt is, that's where you get them. They only accept cash. So you have to pay in cash, no cards, no debits, no nothing like that. And that's all it is, $3 a piece, 24 hours a day. I love to add it up there because at the very back of the food court is their 249-foot-long hot dog, and you can get a couple of beers and a foot-long hot dog for less than $10, which is a nice way to start in the afternoon to get everything going along. And that brings us up as the number 3. Not so much for the foot-long hot dog, that's cool enough, but $3 cold beers. My favorite is Corona, and I get it with a slice of lime, which is always a good thing. All day long, all night long, never a change, always fun.
Now, the third on the list, I've actually done a detailed review earlier, and I will have a point that you can click on somewhere around in here if you want to see the full one, but it is Ocean's One, which is a very famous value restaurant, not only for its alcohol but also for its meals. Let's see how it goes.
Number 2 for the best strip drink deals is Ocean One with their all-day 3 for $10 cocktails. Now, Ocean's One is a restaurant that is, again, like our first stop in flights, is in the Miracle Mile shops at the Planet Hollywood complex. They are infamous or famous, depending on who you are, for their menu items. Like, for instance, everything on their lunch item is $4.99, everything breakfast is $5.99, everything dinner is $8.99. But what's even great is their drink deals. Now, their beers and frozen drinks are $3 a piece, but the really cool deal is the 3 for $1 $10 cocktail thing. So basically they have a whole set of different cocktails that you can get. The first one, you have to get them one at a time. You can mix and match as you go. One thing I like to do is they'll allow you to get the third one in a plastic container so you can walk out on the strip. So you eat 2 with your lunch or your dinner. You walk out and do it. My favorite is Long Island iced teas, but you can get mojitos, you can get margaritas, all sorts of different things. Really good place, Planet Hollywood, doing fantastic stuff.
Now, our final one for tonight, and the number 1 on my list as far as the best drink value in the Las Vegas Strip area, is actually not right on the Strip. It's just about a 3-minute walk away. It is the Stage Door Casino and Bar, and it's really a cool little dinky place, but it has some of the finest values in town. Let's go ahead and see.
And number 1 for our best strip drink deals, it's the Stage Door with their all-day $1 beer specials. Now, the Stage Door is a small little dive bar just a little bit behind the Cromwell, across the street from the entrance to the food court and sportsbook at Bally's. And it is something that's been around for a long time. In fact, this has been here since most of the mega resorts. It just keeps on going and going and going, and offers some really good deals. $1 bottles of Michelob Light and Budweiser, $2 drafts of Bud Light and Budweiser. They also have a $3 special for a quarter-pound hot dog and beer. And so just a lot of fun little places. It's a tiny place. It's just got a few little slot machines in there. It's got the bar, it's got the food. It also has a liquor store attached to the back, which also has some great deals if you want to get some cheap alcohol and not have to pay the casino prices in the mega resorts around you. This is a great place to stop and get some cheap drinks. So again, it's just a great place. At $1 for a Michelob Light or a Budweiser, that's really, really good, and it's number 1.
So there you go, folks. That is my take on what I consider to be the best drink deals on or near the Las Vegas Strip. What do you guys think? Do you agree with it? Do you disagree with it? Are there others that you think should have been added to the list? I'd love to know your thoughts on the subject. And also, is there anything else that you'd like to hear about travel in general and Las Vegas in particular? And anyway, until next time, you're in Vegas. Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guide. See you next time.